over here. We're on the I love you. Good morning, guys. Today we're going for hiking. So time check, it's 5:57 a.m. in the morning. It's so cold. Look at that. It's very funny. Are you ready?
No.
Why?
Because it's cold.
No! It's freezing cold.
How she's so late, and as you're talking I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house, 'cause I will try to play my part. I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid impulse, and I keep living out of my head. Just forgive me for my silence, 'cause I will try to play my part.
So freaking cold.
My lies memorized in my heart. No words could do justice to the way that I felt when I look in your eyes, and there's no one else but you. When I look down from the sky, it's the essence of your presence. When I'm with you, I'm in heaven. More than feelings and more than being, you're the only thing I'm seeing. You're the air that keeps me breathing. Yeah, I never thought that this love would feel like I was broken, and now I'm healed. And I never knew that you'd be my lover. Once I was blind, now I'm seeing colors. Oh, I'm seeing colors.
like all the things that I do never look the same till I met you. Oh, all the things you doing to my vision got me wishing that I met you sooner, baby. I can see the sun shining through the blinds in your eyes. Yeah. So honey, won't you show me all the things you like? And we can spend all of our mornings picking yellow dandelions. In your golden Chevy Cruise, I'm next to you through every green light. And every single red, I hold your hand until our time expires. So build a fire, we can recall all our accolades and sing our simple songs until the rainbow glitters past the grace. It's such a perfect way to really fall in love tonight. I'm happy that you took a chance to help me not be colorblind. Yeah.
I never thought that this love would feel like I was broken, and now I'm healed. And I never knew that you'd be my lover. Once I was blind, now I'm seeing colors.
So we're done. We made it into how many waterfalls did we saw?
31.
31 waterfalls. It's supposed to be 33. We missed the 3. Or 2. We missed the 3.
Yeah, we missed the 3.
So
And
it's
we saw-
34. There's another one that we want.
Yeah, there's an extra one. You have to walk to.
So tired. Are you tired?
No.
Are you going back here again?
Yes.
No.
We're going round again.
Okay. It's so cold.
Cold? You're cold now?
Alright. Oh my gosh. And we're done, guys. We made it, my love. We made it. Hey. Yeah, that was like, how many miles is it? 9 miles. 9 miles hike. Up and down probably is like 1,400 feet.
Don't lean back.
I'll see you guys on your next vlog. Hope you guys enjoy our video. Till our next hike. Bye.